kind of heavy on the forehand, and he's a big boy, so once he got rolling down a hill, he was pretty fast about it. Now you can see he's light on the rein, and he's very careful about going down a hill. I hate to sound like my father, but here we go. A lot of times these more advanced problems, they come from fundamental issues. And as boring as that sounds, if your horse is giving you a hard time coming down a hill and it's pulling on your hands and it's going faster, then probably you need to go back to the respect series and make sure that horse is soft and it's easy, that he respects you, that he's giving you his head, left, right, and in the center, that he gives the pressure, and that he can give and go, which means he can move and give his head at the same time.